Hi! Get ready to learn English with me in TeachTalk's Easy English. It's Teacher Jane again. Let's have Lesson 2, Declarative Sentences. What is a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a statement. There are clues on how we can identify a declarative sentence. First, it has a subject and predicate. The subject is the one being talked about in the sentence, and the predicate explains or gives more details about the subject. Our next clues state that a declarative sentence gives a fact or gives an opinion or observation. Lastly, a declarative sentence ends in a period. Here are some examples of declarative sentences. The sun rises every morning. This type of sentence gives a fact. It is a fact that the sun rises every morning. We also stated earlier that a declarative sentence has a subject. In this sentence, the subject is the sun, and the predicate rises every morning. Next, the rabbit eats vegetables. This sentence gives an observation of what someone is seeing. Just like the first sentence, this has a subject, the rabbit, and the predicate eats vegetables. Next, Tacloban City is the capital of Leyte. This sentence states a fact. Indeed, Tacloban City is the capital of Leyte. What is the subject in the sentence? The subject is Tacloban City, and the predicate is the capital of Leyte. In these sentences, we can see that they were able to state a fact or an observation. Other examples may also state an opinion or any other phenomenon. In our drill, you're going to say yes if the given example is a declarative sentence, and then no if it is not a declarative sentence. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. 5 million people are at risk. Is this a declarative sentence? Yes or no? If your answer is yes, indeed, this is a declarative sentence. It has a subject, 5 million people, predicate, are at risk, ends with a period, and it states information. Please bring my umbrella. Is this a declarative sentence or not? If your answer is no, you are correct. Let's examine the sentence. We know that a declarative sentence must end in a period, and this sentence has a period. But let's take a look at the thought of the sentence. It states, "Please bring my umbrella." It states a request. Thus, instead of being a declarative sentence, this sentence is actually an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that states a request or a command. Take note, a declarative sentence only makes a statement. Next, you've broken my umbrella. Is this a declarative sentence or not? If your answer is no, you are right. First clue is the exclamation mark in the end of the sentence. Instead of a period, a different punctuation mark is found. So this sentence is an exclamatory sentence. How about this one? He broke my heart. Is this a declarative sentence or not? If your answer is yes, you are correct. The subject is he and the predicate broke my heart. It simply states a statement, ends with a period, thus a declarative sentence. Fasten your seatbelt. Do you think this is a declarative sentence? If your answer is yes, you are wrong. Actually, this one is not declarative in nature. This is imperative. We often see this in public transportation vehicles. For example, there would be a sign that states, "Please fasten your seatbelt" or "Fasten your seatbelt." That sentence is more of a request for the passengers because the driver wants them to fasten their seatbelt, making this an imperative sentence. Next, the sun is a star. Do you think it's a declarative sentence? If your answer is yes, you are correct. The subject, the sun, predicate is a star. And the most obvious clue, it ends with a period. Next item, I'm tired. Do you think it's declarative? Yes or no? If your answer is yes, you got it correctly. This is simply stating that one is tired, hence, I, the subject, and the predicate, am tired. And then the most obvious clue is the period at the end of the sentence. Let's proceed to our last item. I'm tired. Do you think it's still a declarative sentence? Yes or no? If you still answered yes, you are wrong. Even though it still states that a person is tired, this time the person is shouting or screaming or yelling that he or she is tired. The most obvious change in the sentence is the exclamation point at the end. If it was a declarative sentence, there would be a period. But since there is an exclamation point or an exclamation mark, this sentence is an exclamatory sentence. That ends our drill about declarative sentences. Did you learn something in today's Easy English? Did you enjoy? We hope to see you in our next video. Bye!